Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I'm gonna share you a tutorial on how to adjust font size on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay, now if you feel your font size on your phone is too large or too short, now you can adjust it easily guys. So without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial. Alright, first thing first, you can go to settings menu, and then here you can scroll down a little bit, and then you can go to display and brightness. So guys, you can scroll down over here, and then you can go to font size. So yeah, so here you can adjust either the short one, the middle, or the large. So here I will try the large one and the small one. But I guess I just fit on the default one because it's not too large and it's not too short guys. So I choose default font size in the middle. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to adjust font size on Infinix Smart 8 easily. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss any interesting video. And thank you so much for watching guys.